Good morning. Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I just woke up and we're trying to hurry downstairs to catch the sunrise, but it's possible that we already missed it. Oh, by the way, I'm in Hawaii and this is, part 6 of my Hawaii vlog series. So don't forget to watch my other videos. And please like and subscribe to show your support. And I hope you learn some English today. Let's go. I'm not sure where we're going. Okay. We're trying to hurry down the hallway and not disturb anyone. We had a good night's rest. Well, I did, at least. And we're going down this elevator. I'm pressing the button. There's like 15 elevators in this hotel. Okay, so we're heading to the breakfast deck. I'm really thirsty. I hope we can get some water. What floor? What's crazy about this hotel is the first floor is the beach, and the check-in floor is the 9th floor. I hope everything I'm saying makes sense. I just woke up. Okay. This is the main area where there's restaurants. I'm trying to look around to see where would the sunrise be. My husband is walking with confidence. He seems to know where to go. Did we miss it? I mean...
Where's the sun?
There's people in the hot tub already. I guess they were looking for the sunrise. Okay, so I'm a little confused because our weather app said that the sunrise would be at 6:55 a.m. and we headed down at around 6:45 a.m. So I guess tomorrow we just need to come even earlier. We heard this boat partying this morning. They were yelling. Oh, he's become the human compass. Why? Oh, because the sun... Oh no, I need water. The sun rises over the east and sets over the west, right? Okay, so does that mean we need to move more that way? Okay, we're chasing the sunrise. We have to go east. This is an ATM. This is where you insert your debit card to get cash. You withdraw cash from your account. We are passing by these boutiques. Large, please. We are ordering a matcha and a coffee. Look at these beautiful croissants. And these sandwiches. This is a large espresso machine. We have some muffins and bagels. Have you ever tried a bagel? Bagels are a little too filling for me. Filling means it makes me too full. The breakfast menu looks delicious. It has burritos and waffles and quiches. I'm drinking or sipping my matcha latte. It's nowhere near close to the matcha that I make at home. It's okay though. So today, after we find the rainbow, because I guess we missed the sunrise, not sunset, sunrise, we are going to have a nice breakfast, and then we are getting ready to go ziplining. So we have to drive back south. Oh, my hair got on my nose and it's so itchy. We have to drive back south to a location where we will meet with the zip line crew, and I don't know where they are taking us, but I think they'll take us somewhere into a forest, and we will be doing this excursion, which is an activity, for 3 hours. They will be providing lunch, and what else? Afterwards, we will drive up. I would really like to stop by the juice company that we couldn't find yesterday. They have several locations. And by that time, it'll be around 4 p.m. So we will have to shower and then get ready for dinner. We are having dinner downstairs. Actually, technically it's right here. But our room is our room over there, the one with the light on. I'll show you which one our room is. So I believe, I see our room because we're hanging laundry. We meaning I am hanging laundry right there. So we're on the 11th floor. Oh, I shouldn't point because that woman was outside. And this is the 9th floor. And down there, you can take an elevator down to the beach. That's the 1st floor. I would love to be on one of those boats over there. I'm not sure if I would get seasick. Do you think you would? I get nauseous. Uh-oh, there goes my voice again. Let me have a sip of my matcha. I get nauseous easily, so I am concerned that if I were to sleep on a boat overnight, I would maybe throw up. There's different ways to say throw up. You can say to vomit. You could say to throw up. You could say to puke. You could say to Ralph. There's many different ways. My husband wanted to provide one more upchuck. Let's do a little Q&A with him, the faceless husband. What would you like to eat for breakfast today?
Acai bowl, but I had acai bowl yesterday. Oh, look at that guy surfing over there. Wow.
Oh yeah, do you guys see him?
Zoom in.
Oh yeah, I always forget I have a zoom button. Nope, that's not it. Here we go. There he is. How cute. Let's see, is the surfer going to get back up on his surfboard? I guess he's waiting for the perfect wave. To get back up is an excellent phrasal verb, and it means to stand up again. We're still waiting for the rainbow, so I'm going to cut this video now because I'm trying to do shorter videos so that it's more feasible for you to watch the entire thing. So please check out my ebooks. The ebooks are in the description below if you want to strengthen your English skills. I worked really hard to get the slang ebooks created and the phrasal verb ebooks. And lastly, if you want my videos before everyone else gets them, join my membership. The button is below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye!